Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on troubleshooting problems when printing lab test requisitions and lab test results. The following are some options that customers can try to get their results to display and print. First, try and print the file in spite of the error message. Click on the OK System dialog box with the error message. If using Adobe Reader to view the PDF file, click on the File in the top left and then click Print. If using an Apple computer and viewing the PDF with Preview, click File in the top left and then click Print. Next, try to open the PDF file in a web browser. While any modern web browser will work, Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, we recommend using Google Chrome. To start, find the downloaded file on the computer. This can be done by navigating the File folder menu on a PC or using the Finder menu on an Apple computer. Oftentimes, the file will be located in a Downloads folder. Once the PDF file of the lab test requisition or results has been found, right-click on the file and then move the mouse and hover over the Open With option. This will cause the menu to expand, and one will see a list of programs on the computer that can be used to read the PDF file. Find Google Chrome or whichever browser you would like to use and then click on it. The file should open in the chosen web browser and display so that it can be printed. If none of the following options work to display the PDF file so that it can be printed, try restarting the computer and repeating the process. If the lab test requisition or lab test result cannot be viewed on a computer, please try and open it on a smart device, such as a smartphone or a tablet. If after trying all the previous troubleshooting steps without success, the Grassroots Labs support team is here to help via live chat, email, and phone support from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, Monday through Friday. Please reach out and we would be happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching this video. We look forward to serving you.